Want to use the 16:9 camera aspect ratio every time you take photos on your iPhone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the camera aspect ratio and make your last setting stay as the default. First, open the Camera app on your iPhone. Make sure you're in photo mode. Now, swipe up on the viewfinder or tap the up arrow at the top of the screen to reveal the camera controls. Tap the aspect ratio icon, then select 16:9. Your camera will instantly switch to the wider photo format. You can now capture photos using the 16:9 aspect ratio. If your iPhone switches back to the default ratio the next time you open the Camera app, you'll need to preserve your camera settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Camera. Next, select Preserve Settings, then turn on Creative Controls. This allows your iPhone to remember the last aspect ratio and other camera settings you used, instead of resetting them automatically. And that's it. That's how to set the 16:9 camera aspect ratio and keep it as your default on the iPhone. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick iPhone camera tutorials.